Welcome to How to Solve.
How to fix money on hold PayPal problem. So first, we will be going to open our PayPal account. So as what you can see, this is the PayPal dashboard. And here, these are the transactions that I made on PayPal. And as what you can see, we have an 831 pesos PayPal balance. So that balance is withdrawable. Now, let's say that you have an on hold balance on your PayPal. So, what could be the reason? So, let's check it on activity. So, you just click on the activity, and there you can see what kind of activity. You can automatic payments received, refunds, transfers, and reported transactions. So, if that's none of your concern, so let's go to the reported transactions. So as what you can see, we couldn't find any transactions. So let's go to status. So you can see there holds. So let's try. So if you have an on hold money on your PayPal account, it will appear here. But in my case, there is nothing there. So let's just go on. So how to address your concern of your on hold PayPal balance? What could be the reason? So I can still remember the last time that I had my PayPal balance on hold. So as what you can see here, we have this canceled request. So I have left a note. Hi, the money you sent me is still on hold. Can you help me with it? So I contact the person who sent me the money. This is one of my clients, a freelance client. So that one, in my case, so I just contacted them. And right now, we will be going to see what are the common frequently asked questions when it comes to a hold balance. So let's type in here money on hold. Yes, that's right. Why? Why is it on hold? And let's try to search for it. Let's see if there are results. Okay. Now we have here the result. Why is my payment on hold or unavailable? So your money may be on hold because you're a new seller. So this is why is my payment on hold or unavailable? So you can see there if you are a new seller with PayPal, if it is the first one or the first time that you have received a money from the other person or other country, that should be on hold. But on this case, we will try to see how to give an solution to that problem. And we can see here another app, new PayPal account, payments on hold, how to access. So we have here, so as you begin your selling journey, start selling after a while, we hold the initial payments you receive for up to 21 days. So that's the common industry practice that they will hold to cover any potential buyer complaints that may happen in that time. That's a good thing that your account is secure and your balance is secure. So, all you just need to do is you just wait for 21 days. And after that one, if the money is still not available on your PayPal balance or still not withdrawable, then that is the time that you need to contact the person who sent you the money, or you just ask for help to your PayPal account. And I hope that helps.
Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.